Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you. We recently came across the Novelinks photo storage box, a clear organizer specifically designed for 4x6 pictures. If you're someone who loves to keep your photos organized and safe, you'll want to stick around. We've added a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The Novelinks photo storage box is not just a simple storage solution, it's a well-thought-out organizer designed to keep your photographs, craft supplies, important documents, and even office supplies neatly arranged. With its clear design, you can easily see what's inside, ensuring that you can quickly grab what you need without any hassle. One of the standout features of this storage box is its protective design. It comes with snap-tight closures that keep your contents secure, ensuring that your precious pictures or cards are well protected from dust, moisture, and accidental spills. This is particularly important for anyone who values their memories and wants to keep them in pristine condition. Additionally, the box has extra depth, giving you the flexibility to store larger items alongside your photos. Now, let's talk about capacity. This box includes 16 individual 4x6 photo cases, with each case capable of holding up to 100 photos. That means you can store a whopping total of 1,600 photos, making it incredibly convenient for anyone with a large collection of memories to preserve. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a scrapbooker, or just someone who enjoys keeping family photos organized, this storage box has got you covered. In terms of dimensions, the outer case measures 12.0 by 14.8 by 5.1 inches, while each individual case measures 4.75 by 6.70 by 1.23 inches. This compact design makes it easy to fit into any space, whether it's a shelf, a closet, or even a backpack if you're on the go. It's spacious enough for bulk storage needs while remaining space-saving, which is essential for anyone dealing with limited storage options. Speaking of portability, the Novelinks photo storage box is made from durable, break-resistant plastic. This feature ensures that it can withstand everyday use and heavy loads, making it a great choice for stacking and storing. Whether you're bringing your photos to a family gathering or just moving them around your home, the sturdy design makes it easy to transport. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a parent looking to organize your child's school projects and art, a photographer wanting to keep your prints safe, or even a teacher needing a way to store classroom supplies, this storage box is an ideal choice. It's also perfect for anyone who loves crafting and needs a reliable way to keep their supplies sorted. In terms of practical use cases, you can use this storage box to organize family photos for easy access during reunions, to keep your craft materials organized for your next DIY project, or even to store important documents that need to be kept in a safe yet accessible place. The versatility of this product ensures that it can fit into many aspects of your life, making organization a breeze. In conclusion, the Novelinks photo storage box is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to keep their photos and other items organized and protected. With its thoughtful design, ample capacity, and durable construction, it's hard not to see its value. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.